Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 6s Plus and replace the battery. What tools do you need for disassembling iPhone 6s Plus? Screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup, tweezers and opening plastic tool. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the connector for charging. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. Apply section cup near home button and pull up on the ring of section cup. Using a plastic opening tool, separate the display from the iPhone case. Gently and evenly separate the both sides. Open the display by lifting it up. Remove two screws, securing the battery connector bracket on the motherboard. Use the plastic tool for disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Unscrew that 5 screws and remove the bracket. Next, disconnect 3 cables from the logic board. Slowly pull one adhesive tape away from the battery. If one of adhesive tape is torn, using hair dryer hit the rear case directly over the battery. Next, use a plastic cut to break up any remaining adhesive behind the battery. Now you can remove battery. In description of this video I left links where you can buy new battery for iPhone 6s Plus. On new battery, apply adhesive tape and install the battery in housing of iPhone. Remove the old glue from the iPhone case. Now take adhesive tape and apply it to the case of iPhone. Also, I'll leave links to this adhesive tape in description. Set the display and connect 3 cables, then connect the battery cable. Set the metal bracket on the cable and securing that one screw in the middle. After, fasten remaining 4 screws. Now set the metal bracket on the battery cable and fasten 2 screws. Fasten 2 screws near the lighting port. Now we can turn on the iPhone and use it.